Be strong.
Let's go. Nothing, mate. It's not working.
Is it not working, the other one?
Yeah, there you go, straight across here, bro. He's out.
He's out, he's out, he's out.
Let's go and have a look, see what the crack is then.
Yeah. This is not hard cover, but if you get behind this, you're okay.
Where are they at?
Yeah.
Where are they?
I don't know. But I think the bomb's just there.
Can we go up?
You can go up, yeah. Marshall, we can go up, can't we?
Where's the guy up?
Yeah. That's how I definitely got him. Is that our team or their team?
That's our team.
Oh, that's our team, that's our team, that's our team.
Yeah, on the left of
It's that red gas bottle. You nearly got killed because you're a gas bottle.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, but I'll do it again.
Hit!
Finally now find the Marshall, guys!
What, so we're just playing the normal team?
I think we were just playing TDM.
You gotta take that, once that smoke clears, we take that building.
Yeah, because I don't think any of the bombs are working, so I guess it's just like a TDM.
Yeah, well basically.
Yeah.
Let's take it.
All right.
Enjoy yourselves.
No, this is war.
Let's take this building. Come little man, let's go.
Yeah, I'm just over here, Lee. I got one. Leroy, they're over this way as well. Yeah, Lee, they're pushing up that side. Got one, Lee, got one. I got two, Lee. Got one, Lee. Oi, Lee, I'm picking them off here. Are you out? I got them. They're out. Jack. 3 of them out. Got him, Jack. He's out. Yeah, Leroy. Oi, Lee, I'm ripping them. Come here. Yeah. Just if you get close to them, change it down. 10 metre.
So are they there?
There's one behind that tree, just where that guy is, that's dead. One behind there.
How's he not here?
Oi, I just ripped some of them, like 7 of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Where are they?
They're all down there. They've all like gone back to their spawn.
So if we go into there,
yeah.
is that gonna, if we just keep pushing in there?
Well, Lee was in there, but he's died, so I don't know if that... Well, let's just go, actually. Let's just go. Go. Oh, sorry, mate. Are you out?
I think he's out, we just standing there.
I did shoot him, but he didn't react. I don't know if he's out. He's just standing there and I don't want to push round and then die. Yes! Oh my god, that was actually sick.
You get him?
Yeah.
The guys behind the tree just through there.
I don't know, I don't really want to push up anymore because that's their spawn, I think. I'm pushing.
Hey!
Yeah, I'm not pushing any more really. We're literally in their spawn. Leroy? Yeah. There's logs in the way. I'm too smally, I can't get him. Yep. Yeah? Oh, I'll back it up.
His hand up and he just walked about for about 2 minutes. I just watched him.
Yeah, I know. I saw him.
I've only got one more. I think we pushed them right back, so I've got no more. I've got a couple more rounds in this, and that's it. I'm done.
What, you not got those? Yeah, you go, look. Clive,
I used them all.
some out of my Mag 10. Pump that into a mag.
Thanks.
No, I want to do one of my mags as well.
Pardon?
BBs.
BB.
So I've got 2 8s.
2 8s I got.
Those are 2 8s in there if you need 2 8s.
Thanks. Thank you.
Oh, do another magpie.
I'm so steamy, I can't see anything. There we
So
go.
excited.
Grenade! Did you get him when he threw it? Oh! Alright, let's push up. Yeah. Whoa, hit! Good shot! What, you want to?
Yeah.
Jack! Tom wants to get in the tower, let's get him up there. Left? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got him, yeah, I got one on the left. I don't know if that's the one that was shooting you.
That's 5 minutes left, team. That's 5 minutes.
Just run. We'll cover you. Yeah?
Go on, lad. Oh, where? Oh my god, I got absolutely destroyed. Oh, I don't even know.
Jack,
Respawn and come back again. Yeah?
I'm gonna go to this one in front of me. Go.
See a couple creeping quite far to the left.
Okay. Oh, there's one in that hut. Leroy, the hut that you went in earlier, where that purple smoke was.
Oh, yeah?
There's one in there. He just aimed at me.
Right there. Okay.
They're like the water containers. Whoa, that was close.
Strong.